Welcome to the English Story Well channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English through real-life scenarios. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to the bank. This will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills, especially when dealing with financial situations. So, let's get started. Today, we're going to follow a character named Alex as he visits the bank for different purposes. We'll go through three main scenarios: opening a bank account, depositing money, and asking for a loan. We'll break down the conversations, explain key vocabulary, and practice common phrases you might need. Ready? Let's dive in. Alex has just moved to a new city and needs to open a bank account. Let's listen to his conversation with the bank representative.
Good morning. Welcome to First City Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please. Yes, I have my driver's license and a utility bill.
Perfect. We offer several types of accounts. Are you interested in a savings account, a checking account, or both?
I think I need both. Can you explain the differences?
Of course. A checking account is used for daily transactions, like paying bills and making purchases. A savings account is for saving money and earning interest over time. You can transfer money between the two accounts as needed.
That sounds good. What are the requirements to open these accounts?
For both accounts, you need a minimum deposit of $50. There's no monthly fee for the savings account, but the checking account has a $10 monthly fee unless you maintain a balance of $500.
I understand. I'd like to open both accounts.
Great. Please fill out these forms, and I'll get everything set up for you.
Let's pause here and review some key phrases and vocabulary from this conversation. ID, identification: a document that proves your identity, like a driver's license or passport. Example: do you have an ID, proof of address, a document that shows where you live, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. Example: I have a utility bill as proof of address. Savings account, a bank account used for saving money and earning interest. Example: I'd like to open a savings account, checking account. A bank account used for daily transactions. Example: I need a checking account for daily transactions. Minimum deposit, the least amount of money required to open an account. Example: you need a minimum deposit of $50. Monthly fee, a charge you pay every month to maintain an account. Example: there's a $10 monthly fee for the checking account. Now, let's practice some common phrases you might need when opening a bank account. I'd like to open a bank account. Do you offer savings and checking accounts? What are the requirements to open an account? Can you explain the differences between these accounts? I have my ID and proof of address. Let's move on to the next scenario: depositing money into your bank account. Now, Alex needs to deposit some money into his new account. Let's listen to his conversation with the bank teller.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to deposit some money into my account.
Sure. Do you have your account number and ID?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. How much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit $500.
All right, I'll process that for you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Let's pause again and review some key phrases and vocabulary from this conversation. Deposit, to put money into a bank account. Example, I'd like to deposit some money into my account. Account number, a unique number that identifies your bank account. Example, do you have your account number? Receipt, a document that shows proof of a transaction. Example, would you like a receipt? Process, to complete a transaction or operation. Example, I'll process that for you. Now, let's practice some common phrases you might need when depositing money. I'd like to deposit money into my account. Do you need my account number and ID? How much would you like to deposit? Can I get a receipt, please? Is there anything else I can help you with? Great job. Now, let's move on to the third scenario. Asking for a loan. Alex is planning to start a small business and needs to ask for a loan. Let's listen to his conversation with the loan officer.
Loan officer, hello, good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I'm interested in applying for a small business loan.
Loan officer, great. We can certainly help with that. Can you tell me a bit about your business and how much you're looking to borrow? Alex, sure. I'm starting a cafe, and I need to borrow $20,000 for equipment and initial inventory. Loan officer, that sounds like a wonderful project. Do you have a business plan and financial projections? Alex, yes, I have a detailed business plan and projected income statements. Loan office, excellent. We'll need to review those documents, along with your credit history and any collateral you can provide. Alex, I understand. Here are my business plan and projections. I also have my credit report. Loan officer, thank you. We'll review everything and get back to you within a week. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Alex, thank you very much. I appreciate your help. Loan officer, you're welcome. Best of luck with your cafe. Let's pause one more time and review some key phrases and vocabulary from this conversation. Loan, money that is borrowed and expected to be paid back with interest. Example, I'm interested in applying for a small business loan. Business plan, a detailed plan outlining the goals, strategies, and financial projections for a business. Example, do you have a business plan and financial projections? Financial projections, estimates of future income and expenses for a business. Example, I have a detailed business plan and projected income statements. Credit history, a record of a person's or business's past borrowing and repayment activities. Example, we'll need to review your credit history. Collateral, an asset that a borrower offers to a lender to secure a loan. Example, do you have any collateral to provide? Now, let's practice some common phrases you might need when asking for a loan. I'm interested in applying for a small business loan. Can you tell me a bit about your business? How much are you looking to borrow? Fantastic. We've covered 3 important banking scenarios: opening a bank account, depositing money, and asking for a loan. Let's move on to some additional tips and practice to help you feel even more confident in your banking interactions. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when dealing with banking situations. Be prepared. Always bring the necessary documents, such as your ID, proof of address, and any relevant financial documents. Ask questions. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask the bank representative for clarification. Take notes. Write down important information during your visit, such as terms of service, fees, and deadlines. Practice common phrases. Familiarize yourself with common banking phrases and practice them regularly. Let's practice a complete dialogue where you play the role of the customer. I'll be the bank representative. Good morning. How can I help you today? Great. Do you have your ID and proof of address? Thank you. What type of account would you like to open? All right, please fill out these forms, and I'll get everything set up for you. Excellent. Keep practicing dialogues like this to build your confidence. Now, let's do a quick review of the key vocabulary and phrases we've learned today. ID, identification, proof of address, savings account, checking account, minimum deposit, monthly fee, deposit, account number, receipt, process, loan, business plan, financial projections, credit history, collateral, and some essential phrases. I'd like to open a bank account. Do you offer savings and checking accounts? What are the requirements to open an account? Can you explain the differences between these accounts? I have my ID and proof of address. I'd like to deposit money into my account. Do you need my account number and ID? Can I get a receipt, please? I'm interested in applying for a small business loan. Do you have a business plan and financial projections? Thank you for joining us on this journey to the bank. We hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident in your English skills, especially when dealing with financial matters. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases and vocabulary in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep learning and improving your English skills. Goodbye. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into English Story Well, where every story is a step towards mastering English.